Alright, been looking at these turbo fans for a little while. Thought I'd try one. So I've got the JufinX X301. Comes in a pretty leery case. Let's see what she looks like. Unboxing. Okay, nice big manual in all sorts of languages. English at the front, yippee. Okay. Ooh. So there's the blower. Comes with the spare battery. Different attachments. And what's in here? Ooh. Nice little bag. Keep it in. Brushes. Clean it. It's a very nice quality bag. And of course, the old charging cable. So, this thing's like loading a gun. Press the button, pull out your battery, put in your new magazine, locked and loaded. Okay, so on the back here, pick your speeds. Oh, that one might be flat. Yep, might need to read the, oh, there we go. Gives the battery charge, and on the back, 3 speeds. So we'll start with the lower speed. It just keeps going. Not bad. Let's try second speed. Oh, that's quite a big difference. Alright, let's try the big kahuna. Oh. Blew the strap out, didn't know it was in there. That's pretty cool. Comes with a flat one. Yeah, different sizes. Now, how does that go on there? Oh, twist and locks on. I like that, so it won't blow off. Oh, I'm pretty happy with that. See how she goes at work.